We have reached Madame Tussauds. We're getting in now.
अभी हमें जाना पड़ेगा 4th फ्लोर पे।
Fourth.
यस, चलिए 4th फ्लोर पे चलते हैं। ये रहा, चलो पहले आप 4th फ्लोर। थैंक यू। और ये देखिए लोग कितना ज़्यादा सैनिटाइजर को देते हैं। आ गया। क्या क्यों गई?
It just splashed in my hand
हाँ?
like a jet spray.
ये एम है, कर सकते हो, कॉपीराइट लग जाएगा। चलो, और आगमन हो गया रोनाल्डो मैडम तुसाड्स। चलिए साक्षी जी। ओ हाँ सर,
Konnichiwa.
प्रणाम प्रणाम सर।
Yo, what's up?
ये लड़की कुछ भी करती है क्योंकि ये लड़की पागल है, पागल है, पागल है।
I'm showing each and every. Do you want to have some English tea? Sugar.
और ये देखिए
Mr. Leo is here. Mr. Leo is here. Oh. Wow. The OG.
द ओजी।
The OG.
चलो, ये लड़की पॉलिटिकल हो रही है, मार खिलाएगी। बापू 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 को प्रणाम करो। चलो गाइस, ये मार्क भाई जैसे बैठे हुए ना, आप भी हमारे ब्लॉग को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और जब पसंद आए तो कमेंट भी कीजिए। और प्लीज़ 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 चारों ओर फैलाओ इस ब्लॉग, इतना फैलाओ, इतना फैलाओ, इतना फैलाओ।
Baji in the house.
It's not video, it's...
We're on.
Yeah.
Baji. No, he's not a Baji for me.
Such a... The god, the legend, the man. Hold up. Up, 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 up. Ah. I've done a great job. अब एक बार पकड़ो इसको.
साले बकवास इंसान साले मेरे मेहनत पे पानी फेर दिया. Welcome on board.
We have the boys here.
We
Hello,
have
lads.
One Direction here.
Which is the other one?
The band's name is One Direction.
Ah.
Hi hi hoy hoy hi hi hoy hoy hi hi hoy hoy bato badi
He's that Malik Harry Styles.
Your comments, please. I think they got awestruck by your
They are
singing.
just no. Brazil, Morocco, London to Ibiza, straight to New York, USA. Oh wow, you won an Oscar. This is your first Oscar. How are you feeling?
Oh, darling.
Oh my god, my bad. I thought it's your first Oscar. How are you feeling, sir?
When you can't get it, just buy it.
So we've got some sponge cakes. Sorry. So we've got some pancake here, and with the whipped cream, marshmallows, Kit Kat, and ice cream. So we're gonna pour a little bit of the chocolate sauce. A little bit more, because why not? And then the plan is to take everything in one bite. So a little bit of the pancake, then you add in some chocolate chip and the marshmallow and a little bit of the ice cream. Now gulp.
How is it?
I think I just reached heaven and I'm back. Amazing.
So we can say Swenson's Rock.
You can transcend to heaven without dying.
Nice. Troll.
Ayo. Good morning, folks. New day in Bangkok, and we're going to start today. Today the plan is basically to shop. हम लोग जाएंगे Platinum Mall. हर जगह देख रहे हैं कि whenever I write the word shop in search, Platinum Mall दिखाता है. तो let's see अब जाके क्या क्या मिलता है. What else can I shop till I drop?
वापस आ गए
टुक में.
सेम भैया जी मिल गए हमें आज भी.
हाँ.
मगर प्रॉब्लम यही है कि जब आप आते हो बैंकॉक घूमने so everyone shows you the place, how it is, but no one shows you the traffic. See the traffic.
ट्रैफिक बहुत है आज. वाह क्या कलर है यार गाड़ी की. देख
Mint green.
BMW है. बीमर. अपना बबलू है. बबलू क्या प्यारा कलर बना के रखा है यार बंदे ने. इट्स नॉट मिंट ग्रीन, इट्स मेलन ग्रीन.
नहीं लड़कियों लोगों के लिए तो ग्रीन ग्रीन होता है, चाहे वो मिंट हो या मेलन हो. हमें तो ग्रीन पता है.
अनवर्ड. टुक की सवारी इतनी अच्छी लगी है कि अब टैक्सी में घूमने का मन ही नहीं करता है ना. दिस इज वेरी कन्वीनियंट. यू जस्ट टेक अ टुक एंड लाइक यहाँ पे आराम से मतलब हवा आ जाती है चारों तरफ से. आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर नेचुरल एयर कंपेयर टू एसी का एयर. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है नेचुरल एयर. एसी एयर में मुझे एसी के एयर में बिल्कुल बहुत परेशानी होती है.
कितना शॉपिंग किया गया है, कितना शॉपिंग किया गया, क्या बताओ कितना शॉपिंग.
मैं तो जागते जागते सो रही
सस्ते
हूँ.
और टिकाऊ.
अब भाई सस्ता तो है, अब टिकाऊ है कि नहीं वो तो यूज़ करके पता चलेगा.
ये बात भी सही है.
बहुत
अभी हम
थक
और भी
गए.
कुछ करवा रहे हैं हमारे चैनल के लिए.
हाँ वो सब आपको देखने को मिलेगा. I'm very excited for that. अभी
वही
देखते
मैं
कैसे
फ्लाइट में
बनेगा.
लगा के भी आऊँगा. देखता हूँ आप में से कितने लोग इसको स्पॉट कर सकते हैं.
बहुत थकी हूँ. एंड हम लोग सुबह यहाँ पे आए थे. आई थिंक हम लोग 11 बजे आए थे, बट अभी बज रहे हैं करीबन 5. एंड वी हैव ओनली कवर्ड 3 floors. वी हैव मोर 2-3 floors टू गो. देखो ऐसे और भी ऊपर जाना है. देखते हैं कब तक मैं झेल पाऊँगी. एंड ऑलरेडी आई एम हैविंग अ बैक एक. लेट्स सी.
सामान ढूंढ मैं और बैकअप मैडम.
Hey guys, good morning. New day in Bangkok and apparently our last day in Bangkok or Thailand. कल early morning checkout है. We have to be at the airport by around 8 o'clock in the morning. So we're gonna get everything fixed today. The last minute shopping is left. क्योंकि कल इंदिरा बाज़ार जाना नहीं हुआ. So we'll see कि वहाँ पे भी क्या है. वैसे already bags बहुत heavy हो चुके हैं. So my plan is not to add anything more, but you know जब आ ही गए हैं तो let's just check it out because why not. And also we have to हम लोगों ने एक चीज़ लास्ट के लिए रखा था, that is the Thai massage. Because our plan was like, you know, when you do it at the starting, when you do it in the beginning of the trip, then क्या होता है कि there's a lot of hustle going on, so it's no point doing the massage. But now we'll do it because we've saved it for the last. And so now you can go back home relaxed. Also you can relax in the flight if you've got it done today. So we're gonna go to Hyatt right now. We're gonna ask for the couple massage. We're gonna ask the availability, the slot and everything. अगर हो सके तो अभी के भी कर लेंगे, नहीं तो मीन टाइम वी विल विजिट इंदिरा बाज़ार, वापस आके फिर मसाज करके एंड देन वील गेट बैक टू द रूम एंड डू आवर लास्ट मिनट पैकिंग. बिकॉज रूम ऐसे भी बहुत बिखरा हुआ पड़ा हुआ है. सो यू गॉट टू डू एवरीथिंग. या
तो मैडम ने आपको बता ही दिया आज का प्लान. सो लेट्स चेक इट आउट.
I think it's little less hotter than yesterday. Yesterday it was very hot. आज फिर भी ठीक है. It's not that bad. So first we'll walk to the Hyatt, right?
Yeah.
It's just around 12 to 13 minutes from our stay. So वहाँ पे चल के जाएंगे, walk करते करते जाएंगे. We'll go ask them. अगर हो सके तो तभी कभी कर लेंगे. And then we will have to, then in that case we'll have to skip Indira Bazaar because उतना time नहीं है. My point is I want to get back to the hotel by 6 p.m. so that I can start the packing and everything. क्योंकि कल उठ के कुछ काम नहीं होने वाला. Just get up, brush, ready होके निकलना है. कल सुबह सुबह निकलना है. So that's why इंदिरा वाला डिच करना पड़ेगा. But अगर hopefully they say कि अभी time है, you can come back later. In the meanwhile, go back to Indira Bazaar and then come back for the massage. Yeah. Okay, so we've got our appointment booked in Hyatt, and luckily we have the appointment right now. So Indira Bazaar is cancelled for now, and we really have to hurry up. And it's a long procedure. It might take like 5 to 6 hours for both of us. We're all decked up and ready. Say hi. So we're all like prepared.
All prepared.
So we're all prepared, and yeah, we're all set to be relaxed. We've chosen, like, they give you option what oil you need to choose for your body. So we have also opted for scrubbing. So we want body scrubbing. We're going for body scrub, body wrap, and the massage. And in addition to that, I've also taken something for my face, the facial oil massage, which he has not taken because he wasn't like,
My face is so beautiful, you see.
oh my god. So he hasn't taken up that. So my 60 minutes are extra. So we've chosen the choice of oil. Like if you're allergic to something, if you have a sunburn, they're going to like, they ask you everything accordingly. They tell you what you need, what you don't need, and also by your preference. So we've done that, and now we're good to go. So it is very busy drinking his tea. You have to take the permission before you do the video, so I always prefer to do that. How are you feeling? So the first step is washing your feet. They like wash your feet, so yeah. I'm so embarrassed. My nail polish is off. I don't know what are they thinking. They must be thinking like I'm like so not kept well, so unkept. मैंने इतने अच्छे से पता ये लगा के आया था पॉलिश. जैसे ही मैं पॉकेट में उतरी मेरा मैं निकल गया पता नहीं कैसे. Time to relax now. Get the ambience. It's so good. It's so peaceful. This is worth it, guys.
I would recommend everyone to come.
Yeah, correct. This is like worth it. And they take time to ask, right? What you need, what you don't need. Correct. Right. We're back from the massage, and it was an amazing 5 hours. I think the best 5 hours so far. It was amazing, so relaxing. And
Everyone should come here.
yeah, we recommend literally everybody to come here. Don't do anything, whatever you do that's on your list, but this is a must try. This is one hell of an experience, and it's going to be an experience of your lifetime. This is beautiful. And they've got ready for us when we are out. This is such a cute little gesture. I'll show you guys. So this is the one of the authentic dishes of Thailand. Basically, this was there. It was such a lovely decoration. I'll put a picture for you guys. So basically, you're supposed to punch the coconut cream into the rice, and then what you're going to do is you're going to get a little bit of the sticky rice, and then your plan again is to have everything in one go. The sticky rice, the coconut cream, and the mango. Here we dig in. It's amazing. So good, so good, so good. I plan to eat this when I get back home also. I'll make sure to make this. Stay tuned, guys. I'll be making this sticky rice. And it's dinner time. What have we ordered? I'll show you guys. We have some Thai green curry seafood. We have... What was this? Pork?
Thai green curry chicken.
No, this was pork. This was
Thai green curry.
pork rib soup.
Oh, sorry.
He forgets his own food. And we have the very best friend. We have our best friend Pior. We have our best friend Mr. Chang here. And some rice. We're done with our dinner and now we are again, we were heading towards our hotel, but then again we are heading towards another lane. यहाँ पे भी हमें दिखा कि कुछ शॉपिंग के लिए चीज़ें हैं and बहुत क्यूट क्यूट चीज़ें हैं जैसे like these things, slippers है, like all you know girly clips है, clutches है, and then you can have fresh fruits as well, these kind. So we're just like having a look here and then finally we'll get inside.
Good morning, guys. Last update from Thailand. Now we are on a way back home. It was awesome 10 days that we spent here. अब last के कुछ वक्त है on the way airport के लिए.
This is our last grab.
Yeah, last grab. And at the same time हमने SUV बुक किया था. हमें इतना बड़ा ट्रैवलर वैन मिल गया. But it's alright. जाते जाते भी comfortably जा रहे. इतने comfortable कि क्या पता. But yeah, 10 days was awesome out here. You know, ऐसा नहीं है लोग सोचते थाईलैंड आना है, बैंकॉक आना है, वैसा कुछ नहीं है. आप यहाँ आ सकते हो. There's so much for you to do here. It's not important that you only go to your walking street, but you have a lot of places out here. I mean, 10 days for us was very less to cover everything. But yeah, we are definitely coming back again. Let's show you the city view right now.
Boarding complete, ready to fly back to our country. Ready to fly. Until next time. Let's see when we are back to Thailand again. I'll be missing Thailand. Let's meet in India now. Where honking is so common.
Now I feel like home.
So tired. I think we started from the hotel at around, like, if I'm not mistaken, it was 8 o'clock in the morning, and now it's already 8. It's 8 o'clock, so it's in the evening. So it's basically 12 hours already. Just waiting to get home and then take shower and sleep. I'm not even looking forward to eat anything because I'm so exhausted. I just want to go to bed.
And also today we covered 2 time zone. That is, we covered 4:30 landing time of Thailand, and then again we covered 4:30 time of India while being in the Bangalore airport. So yeah, 2 timelines we were there.
Yeah.
The time travelers.
So here we've come to the end of our Thailand Diaries vlog. Stay tuned for more. Trying to cover a new spot very soon. Until then, eat, burp and repeat. This is your Claudine Singh signing off. Bye.